This is how to export 1Password Vault to Bitwarden. First, we need to export 1Password Vault. So just click these three dots, click export, and choose your profile. We'll enter our password for our 1Password data. And be sure to choose 1PUX as your file format and click export data. Okay, we'll choose my documents. We'll just click OK. And let's go to Bitwarden. So in your dashboard, you can see here tools on the left hand menu. Click import data. Choose your Bitwarden Vault. If you have a folder and you want to store that exported data from 1Password Vault, you can choose a folder. And for data, we will select the 1Password 1PUX. Then we will choose the 1PUX file. And let's import data. And just click OK. So now we can see here the login credentials from 1Password. So this is how to export 1Password Vault to Bitwarden.